I am going to say something nobody else will say to you. You are on track to be broke. Not struggling. Not just getting by. Broke. In 10 years. Maybe less. And the worst part, you already know it. You feel it every time you check your account balance. And look away faster than you looked. You feel it every time payday comes. And somehow the money is already gone. You feel it every time someone mentions retirement. And you change the subject. Because deep down you know, the way things are going right now, something has to change, or nothing will. So let us look at the proof. Right now today, what does your financial life actually look like? Do you have 3 to 6 months of expenses saved? As a safety net, ready to go, right now? If the answer is no, you are one unexpected bill away from a crisis. One car repair, one medical bill, one job loss, away from debt you did not plan for. That will take months to recover from. Do you have any money being invested right now? Consistently, every single month, growing for your future? If the answer is no, every month that passes without investing is a month of compounding you can never get back. And that loss grows every single year you wait. Do you know exactly where every dollar of your paycheck goes? Not roughly. Exactly. If the answer is no, money is leaving your account right now for things you did not consciously choose. Subscriptions, interest, fees, habits, quietly draining you every single month. 3 questions, 3 honest answers. And for most people watching this, all 3 answers point to the same place. A financial future that looks a lot like the present, except worse, because time keeps passing and nothing keeps changing. Here is what is actually happening. Every month you do not have an emergency fund is a month one unexpected expense away from setting you back. Every month you carry high interest debt. The balance grows, not stays the same, grows, because interest compounds against you every single night. Every month you do not invest is a month where someone else's money is compounding, and yours is not. Every month you do not know where your money goes is a month where the system wins, and you lose. This is not bad luck. This is not the economy. This is not your income. This is a pattern, and patterns do not break themselves. Now here is the part most financial channels skip. They tell you what to do, but they never tell you why you are not doing it. So let me be honest with you about that. You are not investing because it feels like something future you deals with, and future you feels like a stranger. You are not building an emergency fund because every time you save something, life finds a way to need it. You are not looking at your spending because what you find when you look is going to require you to change something, and change is uncomfortable. These are not character flaws. They are human responses to a financial system that was never properly explained to you. In a world that constantly pulls your money in every direction. But understanding why you are stuck does not change the fact that you are stuck. Only action changes that. So here is exactly what you do. Starting today, not next week, not next month, not when things settle down. Today, step 1. Open every account you have. Look at every single transaction from last month. Every single one. Find every subscription you did not consciously choose to pay this month. Cancel it today. Find the categories where you spent more than you realized. Look at them honestly, without judgment, just honesty. Step 2. If you have high interest debt, it becomes your obsession, not a priority. An obsession. Every extra dollar, every unexpected windfall, every small sacrifice goes directly toward eliminating it. Because high interest debt is the single most expensive thing in your financial life. And as long as it exists, everything else you try to build is being undermined from underneath. Step 3. Open a high-yield savings account today. Set up an automatic transfer, even the smallest amount. That moves the moment your paycheck arrives, before you have a chance to spend it. That is your emergency fund starting right now, today, with whatever you have. Step 4. If your employer offers a retirement account with a match, contribute enough to get every dollar of that match, starting this pay period. Not next one, this one. That match is free money, and not taking it is one of the most expensive financial mistakes a person can make. Step 5. Start investing something, anything, into a simple low-cost index fund, inside a tax-advantaged account, consistently, every single month, without stopping. Not when you have more money, not when the market feels safer, not when things settle down. Now, because the only time that actually exists is now, and every version of later costs you more than you realize. Here is the truth. 10 years from now, you are going to look back at this exact moment And either you are going to think, that was when things changed. That was when I finally stopped waiting and started moving. Or you are going to think, I knew what I needed to do, and I did not do it. Those are the only two options. There is no version of this where you keep doing exactly what you were doing, and somehow end up somewhere different. The definition of that is something else entirely. So the question is not whether you know what to do. You do. You have always known something needed to change. The question is whether today is the day you actually do it. I hope it is. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. Uncomfortable means something landed. Hit that like button if this was the video you needed today. And listen, I am not here to make you feel good about where you are. I am here to help you get to where you want to be. That is what this channel does. Every single week. No sugarcoating. No empty motivation. No pretending things are fine when they are not. Just the real honest truth about money. And exactly what to do about it. If you are ready for that, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications. And show up next week. Because the people who stay with this channel, the ones who keep showing up even when it is uncomfortable, are the ones who actually change their financial lives. Not the ones who just watch videos about changing them. Be one of those people. I will see you next week.